Hello friends, it's Marvin Salcido here with Salcido Lawn, and I wanted to take just a moment and talk with you about spring trimmings. Right now you may be tempted, as you can see this lower petalum behind me is a little out of whack here, and you may be tempted to want to come in and trim it down. But right now is not a real good time to trim your lower petalum, your Indian hawthorns, azaleas, stuff like that, because if they're not already blooming, they will be blooming very soon. As you can see, these Indian hawthorns right here, they're starting to bud. You can see the buds starting to come up right here, and those will be turning into flowers really soon. So if you can, hold off, don't trim them yet, because you'll be sorely disappointed with the results, because what'll happen is you'll trim all the flowers off and you won't get very many buds that come out. So wait until after they drop their flowers, then you can come in and trim them back. So again, don't trim back too far for anything that flowers right now, because they're going to be flowering really soon. So anyway, if you have any questions, please give me a shout. Y'all have a wonderful day.